täyttyy tosi nopeasti. Okay, today's the 22nd of June 2021. Here's, was it Ahkiotie?
Ahkiotie.
Ahkiotie 6. On the only stick is the translation, but it's boring. Just replaced with a quick ride. It's here in Puijonlaakso, in the suburbs of Kuopio in Pohjois-Savo region, Finland, built in 1972 and modernized in 2018. The serial number is H29033, capacities 4 per story and 20 grams. It will be inspected in the next year, 2022, with 8 floors. But we still got inside.
Yeah.
Man, I'm gonna ask, but did you not remember the code?
Yeah.
But how could we? Because we couldn't find it.
Yeah.
But he doesn't know, and he doesn't need to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't think we didn't even have to get in here, but
Yeah.
it's at the different building now.
Inspected by UI, inspected and maintained by Kone.
Close, please. No logos button.
Yeah.
It's so hot today.
Yeah.
But inside here is less air conditioning.
Yeah.
I hope this different building is still original, maybe. It looks like it's from the 1980s.
Yeah.
Maybe early or mid 1980s. But we will see if we get there.
Yeah.
But we should try it quickly now. No pictures here, just random.
Yeah, I take pictures.
Okay. Sadly, there's no logos button on the open.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's